Inspections help identify corrosion spots before they spread, saving costly repairs. Early detection allows for targeted maintenance, preventing extensive damage and ensuring the vessel's safety. Regular checks ensure anti-corrosion coatings remain intact, enhancing hull durability. These coatings are the first line of defense against the harsh marine environment, protecting the vessel from rust and wear. Identifying corrosion early avoids weakening the hull's structural integrity. Structural damage can lead to catastrophic failures, but regular inspections help maintain the vessel's strength and reliability. Routine inspections and timely maintenance increase your vessel's lifespan. By addressing issues promptly, you can avoid costly overhauls and ensure your ship remains seaworthy for years to come.